A giant assembly shop of BMW Brilliance has officially passed exception checks in Shenyang, North China's Liaoning province. The assembly shop, built by China Construction Second Engineering Bureau Northern Branch, is the largest unit of BMW Brilliance's new plant under construction in Tieshi, Shenyang. Covering an area of 300,000 square meters, the assembly shop is about the size of 42 standard football fields.
用了一些先进的技术，大数据，还有云平台，对这个现场的一个管理，包括安全还有质量方面，都进行了一个现场的一个问题的跟踪，随时在这个平台上都能查到。
Starting on March 15, 2020, the project has worked through challenges involving building materials and structures, as well as operations on a giant construction site. The new auto parts assembly plant has integrated digital, intelligent technologies into flexible production lines. Meanwhile, green technology is also adopted to ensure the safety and quality of the project. The completion of the project will enable BMW Brilliance to produce traditional fuel vehicles and new energy vehicles on the same production lines, which will greatly increase the auto manufacturer's existing capacity.